It's my son's birthday tomorrow and he asked me, can I make a Biscoff cheesecake for his birthday? And I thought, yeah, I could do that. So I've got 200 grams of Biscoff biscuits and I blended them in the food processor. Now I did this for around about 3-4 minutes to make sure they were very fine and there was no lumps. Just like this, guys. Perfect. And then I got 80 grams of melted butter and I added it to the biscuit crumb. And I stirred it with a wooden spoon until all the butter and breadcrumbs were evenly coated. So there was no dry breadcrumbs. And then I got myself an 8-inch cake tin with a removable bottom. And it's got this little latch here. And I added the biscuit crumb. And using the wooden spoon, I started flattening it down. To get better finished, I use a measuring cup and started flattening it down to get it even smoother. So once that was done, I put it in the fridge for half an hour. I grabbed myself 500 grams of cream cheese and added them into a new mixing bowl. Then I got 250 grams of Biscoff spread. And I added that into the bowl. I got the hand whisk and I started whisking. Now you want to do this for around about 5 to 8 minutes, guys. It should start looking like this. I got my stand mixer out and added 400 mils of whipped cream. And then give it a good whisk. So once you get to this stage, stop the mixer. And when you lift it up, you should see peaks. And if them peaks don't collapse, the cream is ready. Add the whipped cream into the mixing bowl. And give it a good stir. So once it's all mixed up, add it on top of the biscuit crumb. And then start smoothing it out. I did try to smooth it out with a scraper, which did give me some good results. Now wrap it with cling film. And then put it into the fridge for 4 hours. After 4 hours, I melted 200 grams of Biscoff spread and I poured it on top of the cheesecake. Now you got to do this quick because it will start setting. Just make sure it's well covered. And then once it's all smooth and you're happy with it, put it back in the fridge for 1 hour. So after an hour, get a sharp knife and cut around the side of the cheesecake. Melted Biscoff spread, and you need to do some little dribbles down the side. You need to do this all around the cheesecake. And once done, get 6 to 8 biscuits and put them in the food processor and make crumb. And then go around the side of your cake. And then add a couple of biscuits in the middle. And this is my Biscoff cheesecake, what I made for my son's birthday. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a like, drop a comment and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.